अस्सलामुअलैकुम दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है सारिफ सिद्दीकी और आप देख रहे हैं साइंटिफिक क्रिएटिव वर्ल्ड। दोस्तों सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा और बेल आइकन प्रेस करने और लाइक भी भूलिएगा। Hey friends, today I am watering to plants. How are you today? Today I am with my daughter's garden. Look, there are a lot of leaves and plants. Friends, I found some insect. That is, you see brown, that is the joke. It is very scary insect. It is harmful. Plants are very useful for us. We get fruit, vegetable, wood from plants. Plants are shelter for us. Plants are also living things. We get oxygen from plants. Plants have also the kitchen. Plants live in the kitchen of the plant. You can see this is the leaf. It is a very beautiful leaf. Okay. Plants, they breathe and eat food. They eat sunlight, soil and water. They release carbon dioxide. Plants give wood. We can make furniture and many things. This is the wood, you can see. It is very good. I love my plants and it is also lovely. Okay, bye bye.